Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gummy bears without using gelatin. We'll be using agar powder, a fantastic plant-based alternative derived from red algae. This ingredient is key to achieving a firm, jelly-like consistency in your homemade treats. Unlike gelatin, agar needs to be boiled to properly activate its gelling power. It's a simple swap that opens up a world of vegan gummy possibilities for everyone to enjoy. Making these gelatin-free gummies starts with just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your preferred fruit juice, which will give your gummies their vibrant color and main flavor. Crucially, use 2 teaspoons of agar powder, as flakes won't yield the same results. For sweetness, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, like sugar or maple syrup. Combine these 3 ingredients thoroughly in a small saucepan before moving to the next step. Once your ingredients are combined, place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. It's important to boil it for at least 1 to 2 minutes, stirring continuously to fully activate the agar. After boiling, remove the pan from the heat and let the liquid cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents it from being too hot for your molds. You can also taste and adjust the sweetness, or add a tiny bit of citric acid for a zesty kick. Now for the fun part, molding. Place your silicone gummy bear molds on a flat tray for stability. Using a small dropper, carefully fill each tiny bear cavity with your warm liquid mixture. Once filled, transfer the tray to the refrigerator and chill for about 10 to 20 minutes, or until the gummies are completely firm. These delightful, gelatin-free treats are best stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.